Okay, so in this video, I want to show you how to create these images that I created for my Facebook advertisement. It's really easy to do, and you can do it with the help of an online tool. You don't need Photoshop. You don't need anything like that. You don't need to spend money on anything like that. This website called PickResize.com can do the trick. It's actually pretty efficient. I already grabbed one of the images that I want to convert. You can just click Browse and then select the image from your computer, which I already did to save a little bit of time. So now I'm going to click Continue, and we're going to have some options over here. Now, when it comes to these options, I guess they're a little bit tricky in the beginning. If you don't know exactly what you're doing, we're going to have to actually resize this image twice, and I'm going to explain why. The first time we do this, I just go with 75% smaller, and I also like to select frame border. I want to add a frame. Let's go ahead and try this with 20 pixels, and I'm going to select frame color. I'm going to go with red. I'm just going to click I'm done, resize my picture. Now, obviously, this is a lot bigger than the picture we want for our Facebook ad. As you can see, the size is 652, and that's quite big, and this is supposed to be your image. The reason why we make it bigger than what we need is so that we can handle this border correctly. Let's go back to this site, and I'm going to grab that same photo. I'm just going to paste it over there. Now, let's click Continue. I'm going to show you what happens if we resize this image to the Facebook size right away. The border is going to be too big, and that's not something we want. I'm going to show you why. Unfortunately, this website only allows us to choose a border of 10 pixels. That's the smallest border we can choose. If we do that, it's going to add 10 pixels everywhere. So in order for our photo to look good, we would need to resize it by 20 pixels less than the Facebook size. The Facebook size is 100 by 72. It can be smaller than that, but I don't recommend going smaller at all. In order for us to add this border correctly, we need to go to 80 and 52. Once we did that, we select Frame, Border, and Pixels. We can just leave this color. This is just an example. So, as you can see now, the size is 100 by 72. If we view the image, you're going to see that the border, it's really huge, like really, really big, and that's not something we want. In order to avoid that, I just resized the image as I just did earlier. So, I resized it at 75%, and then I'm going to grab this photo that I resized, and I'm going to drop it over there. Now it looks like I can't drop it. Okay, no problem. I'm just going to go to my Downloads folder. Then I'm going to grab it from here, and I'm going to drop it. Okay, that works. Now, I'm going to click Continue again. This image is actually the image that we created earlier, so we went with 75% and then added a border of 10 pixels, right? Actually, we had the border of 20 pixels, so that's even better. Now, what we want to do is just resize it to a custom size, and we just need to type 100 by 72. So we don't need to add anything else because we already did that. So I'm just going to click I'm done, resize my picture. I'm going to view the image. As you can see, the border now looks perfectly fine. This is a lot better than the picture we saw earlier with a really huge border. That's not something we want. We do want a border, but we don't want to waste too much of our picture space with a border. So that's how you create these Facebook ads with borders. It's really simple. The best thing about it is that you don't need Photoshop. You don't need to be good with photo manipulation or anything. All you need is this website, PickResize.com. If you want to get these super cheap images that you can use like the ones I got, you can just go to a website called depositphotos.com, and they give really cheap photos. I think for like $1 you can get one photo. If you buy subscriptions, then you can do even better. I think for like $10 you could probably get 15 to 20 photos with a subscription plan. This is the website, depositphotos.com. If you search on Google for Deposit Photos discount or Deposit Photos coupon code, you're always going to find a coupon code for at least 15%, sometimes even 20%. So go ahead and do that, and then you're really going to get a real bargain with Deposit Photos. So that's it for this video. I want to thank you for checking out our videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you're going to put all of these to action and that you're going to start growing your Facebook campaign soon. Thanks once again, and the best of luck with your Facebook campaigns.